Hello students, today we will learn about rectifying one-sided errors, and today I'll discuss about the second category of it, that is after the error is being detected after preparation of trial balance and opening of suspense account. Okay, so when we are done with our preparation of trial balance and we find that some mistakes are there, that is we cannot tally the trial balance, so that time what happens is we for the temporary basis we use suspense account to match both the sides of trial balance. Okay, and then we look for the errors. So today our discussion is on this context, on this topic only, that is how we can rectify those errors which we are finding after we have already prepared the trial balance. Okay, so the method is that in second case, that is in the present case, we have to rectify this by passing journal entries. And since you know that journal entries requires two accounts, that is double entry system, so we will be using suspense account in the journal entries, in the rectifying entries. Okay, so let us get into the details of it. So I have given you certain transactions. First transaction is purchase book is undercast by rupees 5000. That means we are falling short of purchase book by rupees 5000. Then second one is sales book is overcast by rupees 2000. That is sales book is overcasted, or we are running in excess of 2000 in the sales book. Okay, then number 3, discount allowed to customer for rupees 300 has been credited to his account as rupees 30. So this is an error of misposting of amount as well as the error of wrong side entry. Okay, so instead of crediting sorry instead of debiting his account, we have credited it. Okay, so the real the actual journal entry which we should have passed was regarding number 3, that is customer account debit to discount allowed. Okay, but we have done the opposite of it, so we have to rectify this and we'll do it. Then number 4 is rupees 450 received from Mohan is posted to debit of his account. So the actual entry which we should have passed is cash account debit to Mohan account, but the wrong entry that we have passed is Mohan account debit to cash account. So we have to rectify this, and since it is this is found out after preparation of trial balance, so we have to rectify all these entries using suspense account through journal entries. Okay, so we will move on to journal entries right now. So the first journal entry regarding the first transaction was, since purchase book was undercasted, so it was falling short of 5000 rupees, so we have to debit it, we have to increase it. So we have written it as rectifying entry, purchase account debit to suspense account 5000. Okay, then number 2, sales book was overcasted, so it was running in excess, so we have to decrease it. Since it is sales, so it will be debited, sales account debit to suspense account. Okay, now number 3 is that customer's account was debited by mistake, so we have to use in that place suspense account debit to customer's account. And last one is, since Mohan account was debited, so in rectifying entry we have to use this as suspense account debit to Mohan account. Okay, 450. So only this much for today. You all go through these transactions once again, and if you face any problem, please let me know. Thank you, children.